In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show executions on Quantower. By the end, you'll be able to watch every trade as it hits the market in real time, which is incredibly helpful for gauging momentum, spotting absorption, and confirming your entries and exits. First, open Quantower. Give the platform a moment to load your workspace so everything is stable before you proceed. Once the platform is open, the next place you'll go is the panels list. Depending on your layout, you'll see the panels list either pinned as a sidebar on the left or accessible from the main menu at the top. This is your library of tools inside Quantower, and it's where you'll find the panel that displays individual executions. From the panels list, open time and sales. This panel is often referred to as the tape, and it streams every trade that's being executed on your selected instrument. Think of it as a live ledger. Each new trade appears on its own line the moment it happens, giving you a precise view of market activity beyond just candles and bars. Next, select the instrument you care about. Choose the exact symbol or market you're tracking so the panel shows executions for that instrument only. Once selected, you'll immediately see a table of trades flowing in, each with critical details. The time column shows you exactly when a trade printed, down to the millisecond depending on your data. The price column tells you the level at which the trade occurred. Size shows you how many contracts or shares traded in that single print. Direction typically indicates whether the trade was executed on the bid or the ask, which can be a quick proxy for selling versus buying pressure. As you watch the tape, pay attention to how prints cluster. A series of trades hitting the ask at increasing prices can reflect aggressive buyers, while repeated prints at or below the bid can highlight selling pressure. Larger than usual sizes can signal participation from bigger players, while a sudden flurry of smaller prints may reflect quick retail activity. The key is consistency. Repeated action in one direction often confirms the strength you're already seeing on your chart. Keep the time and sales panel visible alongside your chart or order entry if that helps you build context in real time. Over time, you'll get a feel for the speed of the tape, how price reacts after large prints, and whether a breakout is being supported or faded. That's it. Open Quantower, go to the panels list, open time and sales, select your instrument, and read the tape as executions stream in. Practice watching it during different market conditions and let it sharpen your decision-making.